Okay, so this is some examples of the 45, 45, 90-degree angle triangle. So I'm going to start by labeling my three sides: leg, leg, and hypotenuse. Okay, so we're given the length of the leg, which is 8, and so both legs are the same length. So I already know the length of the second leg. And then how we get the length of the hypotenuse is taking the leg and multiplying by the square root of 2, and that is our answer. Okay, for B, we have both legs already, so we're looking for the hypotenuse. So we take the length of the leg by square root of 6 and multiply by the square root of 2. So we multiply that together and get 5 square root of 12. Change that to 4 times 3. So we get 5 times 2 times square root of 3, so 10 square root of 3. Okay, example C. We have the hypotenuse this time, so we're looking for the length of both legs. So to go the other way, we have to divide by the square root of 2. So we take the 6 and divide by the square root of 2, and that is the same for both legs. Okay, on D, we have the hypotenuse again, and we are looking for the length of both legs. So we take the hypotenuse and divide by the square root of 2. Take the hypotenuse and divide by the square root of 2, and that is our answer. Okay, and then E, we are given the length of both legs, so we are looking for the hypotenuse. So to go from leg to hypotenuse, we have to multiply the leg times the square root of 2. And 8 times 2 is 16, and the square root of 16 equals 4. Okay, and the last one, we have the length of the hypotenuse. So we are looking for the length of both legs. So we have to divide if we're going this direction. So we're going to take the square root of 6 and divide it by square root of 2. And go ahead and just divide those out and get the square root of 3. And that answer is the same for both legs.